Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful eight-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.